Everyone, in today's video we will fix a ASUS G14 external monitor not working, USB-C, HDMI, driver and display reset guide. So fix when you can check cable and port. Turn off your laptop and monitor, unplug the HDMI or USB-C cable, then check for dust or loose connection in the port. After that, plug the cable back in tightly and turn everything back on and check it again. Fix 2. You can select the correct input on monitor. Turn on your external monitor. Press the input or source button on the monitor. Then choose the correct HDMI or display port option and wait a few seconds to see if display appear. The fix 3. You can simple detect the display in Windows. So firstly, right click on your desktop, click display settings. After that, scroll down and click detect, and if the monitor shows up, select extend or duplicate the display. Now we move to our last fix is to update the graphics driver. Press Windows plus X and click device manager, expand display adapter and right click on your graphics card and click update driver. Then choose search automatically for drivers and restart your laptop after update. Goodbye.